As we age, our bodies undergo many changes, and one of the most serious, yet often unnoticed, is muscle loss. This condition, known as sarcopenia, gradually reduces our strength, energy, and independence. But here's the good news: what we choose to drink can make a huge difference. Certain beverages are packed with nutrients that support muscle health, reduce inflammation, and improve recovery. In this video, we'll reveal 6 powerful drinks that can help seniors preserve muscle mass and stay strong well into their golden years. Stick around. Your health, strength, and vitality may depend on it. Let's start with a classic milk. Often underestimated, milk is a fantastic source of high-quality protein, calcium, and vitamin D. Protein supports muscle repair and growth. Calcium strengthens bones, which work hand in hand with muscles, and vitamin D, it helps your body absorb both. Just 1 cup of milk can provide 8 grams of protein, perfect after light exercise or as part of a daily routine. If you're lactose intolerant, lactose-free or plant-based options with added nutrients can also be beneficial. Drinking milk regularly can help seniors maintain muscle function, support bone density, and reduce the risk of falls. Next up, protein shakes. These are more than just a bodybuilder's go-to. For seniors, a protein shake can be a convenient and effective way to ensure adequate protein intake. Choose shakes made from whey, casein, soy, or pea protein. Whey digests quickly, great for post-activity recovery. Casein digests slowly, ideal before bedtime. The key is consistency. Sipping a protein shake daily can support muscle synthesis and prevent age-related muscle loss. Add fruits, flax seeds, or even spinach for an extra nutrient boost. Tart cherry juice might sound surprising, but it's loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Muscle soreness and inflammation can slow recovery and lead to further weakness. Tart cherries contain anthocyanins, powerful compounds that reduce muscle damage after activity. Studies show that tart cherry juice can improve strength recovery, especially in older adults. A small glass a day can support muscle healing and reduce oxidative stress, all while tasting delicious. Green tea isn't just calming, it's healing. Rich in antioxidants like EGCG, green tea helps combat oxidative stress and supports cellular health. It also contains moderate caffeine, which can improve alertness and even physical performance. Some studies suggest that green tea can enhance fat metabolism and protect against muscle wasting. Drinking 1 or 2 cups a day can provide gentle, sustained energy and promote muscle-friendly functions within the body. Bone broth is an ancient remedy making a modern comeback. Simmered from bones and connective tissue, this nutrient-rich drink provides collagen, amino acids, and minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. Collagen helps maintain joint and muscle integrity, especially as connective tissues wear down with age. Bone broth is easy to digest, comforting and nourishing. It's ideal as a warm drink between meals or as a light healing soup. For seniors, bone broth offers both hydration and muscle support, a rare combo. Beetroot juice is a muscle-boosting powerhouse. Rich in dietary nitrates, it helps improve blood flow, which delivers oxygen and nutrients to your muscles. Improved circulation can enhance endurance, reduce fatigue, and support recovery. Beets are also high in potassium, vital for muscle function and heart health. Drinking beetroot juice before physical activity can help seniors perform better and feel less tired afterward. It's a natural, energizing way to protect muscles. Staying strong as we age doesn't require extreme changes, just smart, consistent habits. By including these 6 drinks in your routine, you can nourish your muscles, reduce inflammation, and stay active for years to come. Here's a quick recap: milk for protein and bone strength, protein shakes to support daily muscle repair, tart cherry juice for recovery and reduced soreness, green tea to fight stress and support metabolism, bone broth for collagen and healing nutrients, beetroot juice for circulation and energy. Your next step: pick one and start today. Your body will thank you tomorrow. Stay strong, stay independent, and don't forget to share this video with someone who could benefit from it.